Welcome to this 2025 guide on how to split your Amazon purchase across multiple credit cards. Whether you want to manage your budget, use remaining balances on different cards, or combine multiple payment methods for a larger order, this tutorial will walk you through the updated options Amazon offers. Let's break down the simplest ways to make flexible payments on your Amazon purchases. First is log in to your Amazon account. After logging in, click your card and click Proceed Checkout. Add your address where you ship the item. Here you can manage how you'd like to split your payment. Amazon allows you to combine credit or debit card with gift card. Begin by applying any gift codes you have. This amount will be deducted from your total first. Then select your preferred credit or debit cards and decide how much to charge to each and click Checkout. And that's it. Now you know the different ways to split Amazon payments across multiple cards in 2025, whether through gift card reloads or Amazon-supported payment features. If you run into any issues, be sure to check your card limits or review Amazon's latest payment policies. Thanks for following along. Explore more of our 2025 guides to make your online shopping smarter and easier.